What is the name of NASA's mission that successfully delivered the Perseverance rover to Mars in 2021? Answer is Mars 2020, Perseverance. What is the name of the mission that discovered water ice on the Moon in 2009? Answer is L-Cross. Which space shuttle mission was the first to launch the Hubble Space Telescope into orbit in 1990? Answer is STS-31. Who was the first woman to travel to space twice and the first woman to command a space mission? Answer is Eileen Collins. What is the name of the moon of Saturn, with a noticeable ridge around its equator, named after a mythological giant? Answer is Iapetus. Which NASA spacecraft was the first to successfully land on the asteroid Bennu in 2018 to collect samples? Answer is OSIRIS-REx. What was the name of the first American space shuttle, which conducted its maiden flight in 1981? Answer is Columbia. Which spacecraft successfully conducted a flyby of Pluto in 2015, providing close-up images of the dwarf planet? Answer is New Horizons. What is the name of the mission that successfully landed the Perseverance rover on Mars in 2021? Answer is Mars 2020, Perseverance. What is the name of NASA's mission to study the atmosphere and surface of Venus, launched in 2021? Answer is Veritas. What is the name of the largest moon of Saturn, known for its complex and dynamic geology? Answer is Titan. Who was the first American astronaut to conduct a spacewalk, extravehicular activity, in 1965? Answer is Edward H. White II. What is the name of NASA's mission to study the planet Jupiter, its magnetosphere, and its moons? Answer is Juno. Which space telescope, launched in 2003, has been instrumental in studying the universe in the infrared spectrum? Answer is Spitzer Space Telescope. What is the name of NASA's mission to send astronauts to the moon with the goal of establishing a sustainable lunar presence? Answer is Artemis. What is the name of the asteroid that the OSIRIS-REx spacecraft successfully collected samples from in 2020? Answer is Bennu. Who was the first woman to fly in space, becoming the first and youngest female astronaut in 1963? Answer is Valentina Tereshkova. What is the name of the robotic spacecraft that successfully landed on the asteroid Ryugu in 2018 and collected samples? Answer is Hayabusa 2. Which planet in our solar system has a notable hexagonal-shaped storm pattern at its north pole? Answer is Saturn. What was the name of the first successful mission to land a spacecraft on Mars in 1976? Answer is Viking 1. What is the name of the first American woman to walk in space, conducting an extravehicular activity in 1984? Answer is Catherine D. Sullivan. What is the name of the mission that successfully placed the Mars rover's Spirit and Opportunity on the Martian surface in 2004? Answer is Mars Exploration Rover. Which NASA mission discovered water ice on the Moon in 2009 through a controlled impact? Answer is L-Cross. What is the name of NASA's Space Telescope launched in 1999 to study the universe in the ultraviolet spectrum? Answer is Far Ultraviolet Spectroscopic Explorer, FUSE.